There's a revolution happening right in front of our eyes that will radically change the world around us. And it all began with one simple idea. If you want to live in a world that you love, you must build it. It started as a spark, and the world let it spread like wildfire. An anonymous coder built $1 trillion network to be a store of value. A 21-year-old hacker launched an infinite machine in a global community of dreamers. These dreamers are the future. Their collective hearts beat to the same drum. They believe in radical social change, one where trust is not needed to participate, one where everyone can sing in harmony. As builders, we stand stronger together. It takes momentum to build radical fairness and radical opportunity for 10 billion people. That's the future we envision. And we will be the ones to build it.